Hi all, this is Rupak back again with a new drawing tutorial. So it's been a long time since I uploaded a video on drawing. So I decided to draw one of my favorite character from the cartoon series that I watch. It's called as Oddbods. So today we'll be drawing the character Pogo from it. So you'll need a sheet of paper, a pencil, a eraser, and a few outliners. Let's get started. So the first step is when you draw a circle, let it be a bit bigger one. And now we can just draw the body. So for this drawing, I feel that basic structure is not needed, so I'm just directly gonna sketch it up. So I just start. We can now draw the face of it. So it's going to be as if he's like jumping with happiness. So it looks, we can just correct it here, I think so. I feel that I can just make it a little bit bigger. It doesn't matter, it's because it's the rough sketch. I can now erase the inner part. You now draw like this, so it's going to be this part, the leg is going to come and bend this a little bit up and the other leg here. Draw the hands. I can just leave it. Yeah, now it's clear. Now let's draw the other hand. Just a minute. Now we can now draw a diagonal line here. So just to make sure that the body is tilted and all the parts are tilted while we draw. So let's continue with the hand. And now it's clear, we can draw. can now just make it short. As I told you in the first, it's just the rough. Okay, now the leg here. This leg is going to be a little bit one that is being bended. I think I could just bring this leg a little bit closer. Yeah, like this, so it looks as if it's extended. So when as I told in the first, we can just tilt it. Yeah, the structure is ready now, I think so. We can just draw the face. Draw the eye, should be a nice and bigger one. So it should be as if the eyeball should be as if dashing down this way. And this one, like diagonal, should be a little bit lower and should also be a little bit smaller. Now we get the diagonal line. You can draw the eyebrows here. Just shade it here. And just darken. Now draw the mouth. So as I told, it should also be diagonal. So I'm starting here, but I'm going to end it here. And I can just draw stripes. Now erase the diagonal line. I feel like the eyes is a little bit required for correction, so I can just correct it. Yes, I'm erasing it. Yeah. The first eye, the second eye here. And let's erase it. So it should be as if we're seeing down. And yes, a drawing of Pogo is ready. Wait till the end for the outline version. So our drawing is now ready. I'm happy in the way it turned out. So I'll be uploading videos on all the other characters too. So do stay tuned. Thank you for watching.